Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert pictures on the side of Affinity Publisher document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert a side of pages. We select any page. Now I select the first page, then go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. Now we want to put or insert picture side, select this place tool. Now we can see the image here. We select any image. Now I select this and click open, then load some moment, then insert this picture side of this page. You can increase the size. Select this picture and increase the size, then click outside of the page. Now we can see we insert a picture on the side of Affinity Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.